Good morning, 8 para sa 8.
Good morning, Sir Cedric. Good morning, visitors. Welcome and mabuhay.
Okay, class, before you sit, kindly arrange your chair and please pick up all the turns in your class. After that, please settle down. Okay, class, before we proceed, let me remind you our classroom rules. So we have a simple and three classroom rules. The first one is one mouth rule. So one mouth rule, if you are not being called, all you need to do is listen and be quiet. So the next rule is be respectful. Of course, we need to respect each other, not only me as well as on your classmates. And the third one is learn and enjoy. So while enjoying the class or this session, you need to learn, of course. So the classroom rules are clear, class?
Yes.
If the classroom rules are clear, give me 2 claps. Alright, thank you. So before we proceed to our next topic, of course, we need to review our past lesson. I have here prepared a mystery box. So the mechanics is name and classify. So a mystery box containing images about previous lesson. When your number is called, you should stand up and answer what figure being portrayed. So I have here a mystery box. So first, I will call your number. So what is the day today? May 9. So when I call number 9, please stand up. Who is number 9? Number 9, please see your crown. Number 9. Okay, please, talagtad, please take a picture in this mystery box. Stand up, please. Okay, what is the picture? Right, so knives is classified as a measuring spoons, smoking equipment, salting equipment, or that's right. So thank you. Very good. So the knife is classified as cutting implement. So give me a number, please. Number 10. So who is number 10? Thank you. Number 10, please stand up. I'm sorry. Okay, are you ready? Okay. Please pick a picture. Sort to your classmate now. What is solve the figure, please show your class. Okay. What is the name of tools? What do you think is the answer? Scalar or descalar. So scalar is classified as, and that's right. So scalar or descalar is classified as cutting implement. So give me a number, please. Number 8. So number 8, this is standard. Who is number 8? Alright. So your classmate one is, or please show your classmate. What's that? Measuring spoon. So measuring spoon is classified as measuring tool. She is correct? Yes. Okay, the measuring spoon is classified as measuring tool. So I think this is the last picture. Please give me a number of tabo. Sorry. Number 7. Who is number 7? Alright. Okay. Please pay picture. What's that? Weighing scale, please. Okay, weighing scale is classified as, that's right, very good. So, weighing scale class is classified as measuring tools. Here. So, based on your answer class, you are already know or you remembered our last topic last time. So, are you ready to listen and understand our next topic class? Yes! Okay, but before that, let me remind you our learning objectives for today. All of you class, at the end of the lesson, should first identify the different types of salt, create a Venn diagram of the similarities and differences, and thus explain the importance of salt input processing in our lives. So, but first class, we need to identify what is salt. But before that class, I have here a fit-to-work challenge. So, the fit-to-work challenge, the mechanics, please read the mechanics all together in 3, 2, 1, 3.
Try to figure out what image are we looking for by using the pictures. If you know the answer, just raise your hand.
Okay, class. It's simply, class, you need to identify the word or the name of salt by help of the picture and the word. So this is the first example of picture challenge, class. So we have a label and salt. So the answer should be label salt. So understand, class?
Yes.
Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. First example. What do you think is that? Okay, Hannah. Moisture salt. Are you sure? Okay, let's see if your answer is correct. That's right, very good. Moisture salt. So next picture. What do you think is that? Yes. Black Hawaiian salt, are you sure? Okay, let's see if your answer is correct. That's right, Black Hawaiian salt. Thank you so much. Very good. So next pictures. Yes, Mariano. Red Hawaiian salt, let's see if your answer is correct. That's right, red Hawaiian salt. Excellent. Next picture. Yes. Sea salt, are you sure? Okay, let's see if your answer is correct. That's right, sea salt. Thank you so much. How about these pictures? What do you think? Swing or lake?
Lake salt.
Lake salt, let's see if your answer is correct. So we have a skyflex minus sky plus salt. So answer is Lexon, and that's correct. Lexon. Thank you. Okay, next pictures. Smoke salt. Let's see if your answer is correct. That's right, smoke salt. And I think this is the last example. What do you think is that? Yes, Asul. Himalayan salt, are you sure? Okay, let's see if your answer is correct. That's right, very good. The Himalayan salt. Thank you. So class, based on our picture challenge, what do you think our next topic for this day? Any other hand? Ah, yes, normal. Types of salt. Let's see. So our topic for today, class, is different types of salt. Very good, Anna. Again, class, our topic for today is different types of salt. But first, class, we need to identify what is salt. So, salt is a white crystalline substance which is used for seasoning or preserving food. So, do you familiar, class, in salt? Yes. So, class, in your house, what kind of salt do you have? Iodine salt and rock salt. Of course, that is the salt that we are all familiar. But class, in this session or in this lesson, class, you may know the different types of salt. So I have here, class, the actual picture or rather actual mapping of salt. So while fixing my visual aids, I want you to study the different types of salt. You may touch it and smell it, but don't taste it, class, ha? After you study that, you may proceed to the other sort and pass it to your classmate, okay? You can touch it and smell it, class. Okay, class, when you study the different types of salt, you may pass it to your classmates for them to be able to see and touch, okay? Again, class, you may touch it and smell up, but don't taste it. Okay, class, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Before we proceed to our topic, class, I have here activity for you. So this activity is called what acid is. So the mechanics, Read carefully what is in each column. If you think this is cannot solve, being referred to, face the figure you are holding. You only have 5 minutes to do it. So, class, I need 12 volunteer students. So, please, come in front. Who wants to join in our activity? For those students who got correct answer, will receive 5 tips. And then for the student who got wrong, only receive 2 tips. Please stand up, you student, who will join to our activity. Okay, I need 12 class. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, only 6. I need more 6 students. Okay, class, please stand up. Who wants to join our activity? Okay, 9. Only 9 students. I need 3 more student class. The student, please stand up. Ayan. Let me double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Already 12. So I give you the different types of salt class. So this pick a big one. Okay, 1 person each. Okay. Are you ready, class? Okay, please understand and read the meaning of the song. Okay, the 5 minutes will start now. Don't rush in, class. Try to understand the definition for you to be able to get correct answer. You may double check your answer, class. You still have 4 minutes to do that. Try to analyze and study the definition. Okay, 4 minutes. Okay, I think you are done. Are you sure with your answer, class? Yes. You have 3 minutes to change it, class. I give you a chance to change it if you think your answer is not correct. But if you are confident enough with your answer, no need to change it. I'll give you 30 seconds, class. Please try to analyze and understand the meaning of the song or each statement of the song. Okay, 20 seconds. You still have time to change it. Okay, last 5 seconds. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Okay, thank you class for participating in our game. So let's proceed to our different types of salt. So let's define what is table salt. So the table salt class is most commonly salt that is highly refined and finely ground. So, who holds the table salt class? The actual copy of table salt. Who holds? Can you describe what is table salt? Based on our actual picture. What is the color of the feed? What is the color of the salt? What is texture? Can you describe? What is table salt? Our standard is any guess or anything that you observed in our table salt. What can you say about table salt? Yes, Hannah. So the texture of table salt, Hannah said, is fino or refined. So the table salt class is very important in food processing. Why? Because this salt class it helps to prolong our food class. So the shelf life of our food, the table salt gives a prolong to our food class. So this is the table salt. So table salt class is best used to salted or dried fish. So are you familiar with tuyo? Yes. So the tuyo, what is the taste of the dried fish or tuyo? Of course, babaalat. So table salt is used for dried fish. So the picture is correct. Yeah, thank you. So next is shell salt. So the shell salt class is also known as rock salt. So the rock salt or the shell salt is best used for sauteing. Why? Because the shell salt class have a uniform size. So many chefs says that the shell salt is best in sauteing because if they need to sprinkle or need a seasoning to saying, they easily to pick up this salt. So that is the shell salt. Okay, next one is sea salt. So this picture should be filled. I don't have actual copy of the sea salt, but sea salt class, it came from of course, the sea. So from the sea salt, it comes from the sun evaporation class. So in terms of food class, sea salt is best if you are craving for pasta. So in the pasta we need a boiling water, right? Yeah. So when you are boiling water, so you need to put a sea salt to have a delicious and good texture of pasta. That's the sea salt. Okay, next one is the Himalayan salt. So the Himalayan salt is a form of salt that is less processed than table salt and may contain trace nutrients and minerals. So who holds the Himalayan salt? The Himalayan salt, the pink salt. Can you describe what is salt? What can you say about this salt? What observation? Yes, the color is pink. How about the texture? Ayan, thank you. So the Himalayan salt class is, of course, the color is color pink. So the Himalayan salt class, pink, no? It comes from South Range Mountain. So South Range Mountain is located from Pakistan. So the Himalayan salt class, it is best for black cooking. So black cooking, in Pakistan class, they use a Himalayan salt as black cooking. They believe class that this salt is enhance the food and less processed salt. It means class this salt is more healthier than than other salt. Less process, it means that some nutrients are not removed. So that is Himalayan salt. So the other benefits of Himalayan salt is it reduces the blood pressure and as well as the blood sugar. Okay? Next salt is Celtic salt. So can you read the meaning of Celtic salt? Here. So all together in 3, 2, 1, read.
Celtic salt is moist, chunky grains, grain, new, and briny in taste.
Ayan, thank you. So, this salt class is, the color of the salt is color gray. So, in terms of taste, this salt is briny or briny in taste. So, meaning class, this salt is not salty class. So, in terms of salty, the content of salty is lower height rather than the table salt and kosher salt. So, that's the Celtic salt. Okay, the next one is fleur de salt. So, the fleur de salt class, also known as a flower of salt, and it is most expensive salt. So, class, what do you think why the fleur de salt is the most expensive salt? Do you have any idea? What is the reason why the fleur de salt is the most expensive salt? Yes? Okay. Alright, so take note class, the reason why the fleur de salt is the most expensive salt because the process is complicated while producing this salt. So the process needs to be done carefully. So take a look to the monitor class. To have a fleur de salt, the price of the 5.7 ounce is 2,683.35 pesos. So class, if you are given a chance to buy or have a more money, you will buy this salt? Why? Yes, that's right. This salt is so much pricey. So if you have a 2,600, you can buy the pair of shoes, clothes, and etc. So, next salt is Alanamak salt. So, the Alanamak salt, please read the meaning. In 3, 2, 1, read.
Alanamak is reddish black color, is pungent, salty taste, and caffeine. Sulfurous aroma of eggs is often used in vegan and vegetarian dishes.
Ayan, thank you. So, class, the Alanamak salt is best used to vegetarian. So, the Alanamak salt, class, remember, it comes from India. Do you familiar what the Indian favorite food? Ayan. With the monitor class, the favorite food of the Indian is masala. So, they love to eat onion, right? So, this Alanamak salt class, it said is food that meaning this salt is have a strong taste. So, sobrang tapang neto ang Alanamak salt class. And the Alanamak salt class is used for garnishing the food. So, after cooking or after cooking the food or dishes, you need to use or you may use the Alanamak salt to have a high appealing in our food. Okay? Understand class?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. The next one is lake salt. So this picture should be near this picture. Okay, lake salt. Lake salt is crunchy lake salt that dissolve use a finishing salt. So lake salt class is best for garnishing again. So the lake salt it may use in our dessert. Why? Because some dessert class are too much in sweetness. That's why we have a lake salt to give a balance in our dessert. So we have a sample of lake salt class. Who wants the lake salt? Alright, what can you say about actual picture of salt? You may touch it and try to crack it. What did you observe? When you touch it or crack it, what happened? Anything that you observe? Okay, thank you for your observation, good observation. Okay class, when you touch it or crack it, the flexor, you will feel some water. So, when you crack the flexor gun, meron may iwan na water sa inyong hand or finger. So, that's the flexor. Again, class, the flexor is best for using in dessert. Okay, the next one is black Hawaiian salt. So, who wants the black Hawaiian salt? Okay, please stand up. What can you say about the black Hawaiian salt? Okay, thank you. What else? Of course, thank you. So, the black Hawaiian salt class, thank you for your answering. The black Hawaiian salt came from Hawaii. So, from the word itself, the Hawaiian, this salt is harvested from Hawaii. So, of course, the color is black. And then, the size of the Hawaiian salt class is uniform or even. So, when you touch it, the Hawaiian salt class, some of color will left in your hand because of the charcoal class. So, when you touch it, try to touch it. Yes. Look in your fingernails. Alright, diba? Meron may iwan na color black. So, that's the black Hawaiian salt. So, plus, the black Hawaiian salt is best for finishing or adding kaya filling in our food, especially in pork and seafood. So, that's the black Hawaiian salt. Of course, we have a black Hawaiian salt. And then we have a red Hawaiian salt. Okay, in this side, who holds the red Hawaiian salt? Okay, what can you say about red Hawaiian salt? Anything that you observe? Please stand up. What can you say about the red Hawaiian salt? Anything that you observe in this salt? Sorry? Okay? Okay, sorry. Red, what about the texture of salt? Try to touch it. What can you say? Okay, you can help. Your classmate. What can you say, Kastulo, in red Hawaiian salt? Ayan. The red and black Hawaiian salt is rough in texture. So, of course, the color of that is red. So, red Hawaiian salt class, it also harvested from Hawaii. So, this salt is amplified, used as an additive or an attractive finish and food. So, this feature is correct as well as the black Hawaiian salt. So, the red Hawaiian salt class, before you cook the meat or the seafood, we need to add the red Hawaiian salt in corn as well as other meat. So, it gives the meat to have a beautiful color and it enhances the flavor of the food. Okay, do you understand, class? Yes. Okay, let's proceed to our smoked salt. So, please read the meaning of the smoked salt. All together in 3, 2, 1.
Smoked salt. Best used for flavoring meats and vegetables.
Alright, thank you. So this salt gas is best used for have salting method and smoking method. So before the smoking method class, you may use the smoked salt in our food, especially in meat and vegetable. So you need to marinate the food for you to be able to have a delicious and eye-appealing dish or food. So before you go to the smoking method, apply the smoked salt in our food. Okay? You understand? Yes. Okay, the last one is pickling salt. So pickling salt is used for pickling and grinding pickling salt. This salt does not contain any added iodine. So this pickling salt gas is best for canning food. So the best example of that is here in the monitor class. So this salt gives a fermentation in the food, and then this salt it helps to prolong the shelf life of our food, especially in canning. So you understand class the different types of salt? Yes. Okay, who can give me one example of salt and describe based on your understanding? Anything in these 12 types of salt? You may choose one or two. Better if two, but if one, it is okay. Okay, who wants to try? Yes, Anna. Ayan, thank you so much. So, the table salt is the most common salt, alright? So, the texture is refined, and we all know that all of us have a table salt or have a table salt in our house. So, anyone? Other one? Who wants to try? Yes.
Next is Ace. Next is Ace.
Alright, thank you. So, we said the black Hawaiian salt. So, the black Hawaiian salt is used for finishing or garnishing the pork and seafood. Okay, you understand, class? Yeah. Thank you for answering. Okay, class, I have a additional information, class. Did you know, class, that we have a sea that called Red Sea? So, it is located between Israel and Jordan. So, the sea is located between Jordan and Israel. So, around 24% of the sea, class, is not water. So, this is salt. So, do you believe, class, that in Dead Sea, even you are the best swimmer in this world, you cannot swim in this sea or in the Dead Sea? You know the reason why? What is the reason? Even of the best swimmer in this world, you cannot swim in this sea. Do you have any guess or idea? Okay. So class, based on our scientists, the reason why people or human can swim in the sea, because the salinity of the sea have the density of the Dead Sea at 1,240 per cubic meter, while the average density of human is only 985 per cubic meter. So that's the reason, guys, why the people just float in our Dead Sea, because the Kasalanan nito, the density of the Dead Sea higher than the density of the human. So, do you understand, guys? Yes. Okay, thank you. So, please, kindly bring out your quiz notebook. We have a activity. Okay, for our activity class, compare and contrast. So, direction, make a Venn diagram about the comparison between Himalayan and table salt. Write the differences and similarities. Answer it in your quiz notebook. So, this is the example of Venn diagram. Are you ready to answer, class? Yes. Okay, I'll give you 5 minutes to do this. Okay, the 5 minutes start now.
Meron na? Meron siguro yun.
Kasi dito lang sa kabila.
Andiyan na. Meron pa na.
After answering class, I will call two students to share their answer. If you are holding the Himalaya and the table salt, it will help you to have a answer in our quiz, in our activity rather. You may touch it to have a answer and compare it. Our last 3 minutes.
Dapat pala 6:35. Tapos nasa
Dala mo na yun. Dala mo na yung order mo.
wala?
Yung order mo. Ano yung order mo?
Are you done?
Walang yung ano sa ano mo.
Magkano?
89.
Ano naman lang?
Yung
Last 2 minutes.
bagal lang sa mga bukas sa mga
Oo.
sumakay ako pag ano bukas sa may dilapas. Nagtama lang ako pero di ba nag-over kasi mga dito sa temple kita doon ito yung uncle dyan pala dyan to work. Wala pa ng tubig.
Ano oski?
1 minute and 30 seconds.
Grabe yung isip mo. Grabe yung isip.
Last 50 seconds, class.
At least tapos na tayo. At least matatapos na tayo lahat. Same. Same na. Oo.
Last 10 seconds.
Kuya ka na.
Okay, time's up. So class, who wants to share their answer? Anything that you wrote on your notebook, you can share it, class. Anyone? Yes, Nana, do you want to share your answer? Okay. Okay, thank you. So, Hannah said that the Himalayan salt is bigger than the table salt. Is she right? Yes. Okay, of course, the texture of the table salt is refined when the Himalayan salt is it's like a rock salt. So, the similarities, Hannah said it's same, can use in cooking. So, thank you, Anna, for your sharing. How about others? Want to share? Yes, Mariano? Do you want to share your answer? Just read what you got. Okay, Roberto, you can share your answer. About the table salt and Himalayan salt. Okay, please stand up. Ayan, thank you. So, Roberto said the color of the Himalayan salt is pink while the table salt is white. So, the similarities, what can be used in cooking. So, thank you for your sharing, class. Thank you. So, let's proceed in our salt in the earth. Do you have any question, class, about different types of salt? Okay. So, because of that, I have a simple question for you, class. So, the number one is, what do you think, what is the importance of salt? What do you think, the importance of salt? Yes? Okay, thank you. So, you said that the importance of salt is gives or enhance the flavor of the food. That's right, thank you. How about others? What is the importance of salt? Yes, Anna. That's right, excellent. So in salt class, the importance of salt is we have some nutrients that we gain in salt. Okay, thank you for sharing. So, next question. Do you believe that you can live without salt? Why or why not? Let's explain it. Do you believe, class, we can live without salt?
Yes.
Yes.
dito? Grade 9? Grade
Okay, thank you. Very good. So, she said that we cannot live without salt because this salt have a big impact in our food. So, of course, the salt it enhances our food. Okay, next. Who wants to answer? Any other hand? Who wants to try? Who wants to try? Okay. Okay, thank you. So, yeah. He said that we cannot live without salt because it's hard to eat the food if we don't have a flavor. That's correct. So, for the class, I believe we can live without salt. Why? Because salt is not primary food, but it is part of our food. So, but it is hard to live without salt because some food or most of food have a salt. So, salt gives the food to have a flavor, enhances flavor, and to become delicious. So, that's the reason. That's why I believe we can live without salt. Okay?
51.
Okay, let's proceed to our many phases of salt. So, class, who can give me the different types of salt? Give me one. Yes, Asun. Black Hawaiian salt. Okay.
52 na.
Thank you.
52.
Okay.
52.
Himalayan pink salt. Thank you. How about others? Yes? Table salt. That's right. Thank you. Next. Yes, Mariano. Okay, smoked salt. Next. Black salt. Okay, thank you. Yes, Kapsa. Red Hawaiian salt. Yes, Hannah. Kosher salt. That's right. Okay. Taranamak salt. What else? Yes, Nico. Pink salt. And then the last one is
Nalaga ng Jollibee.
that's all. What is that? Nakalaw is already given.
Kinakabahan ako.
Okay, Nico again. Celtic salt, that's right. So, thank you class for participating. So, remember class, we have a different types of salt. We have a table salt, salt, so on and so forth. So, remember that each salt have a different purpose in our food or in our food. So, are you ready to take up this class? Yes. Okay, can you bring out your quiz notebook? And this is our quiz. So, direction, choose the letter of the correct answer. Okay, number 1 to 3. That's right, letter of the class.
Minutes na lang. 3 minutes. 3 minutes na. 6:50 hanggang 6:50 lang siya. Ito na ba? Ito na ba? So 5 minutes break. Di ba may ano ka, coffee?
4 and 5. Are you done answering? Yes. Okay, please kindly state your paper with your seatmate. Okay, this is the answer in our quiz. Okay, class. I will take it later. Let's proceed our assignment. So this is your assignment task. So assignment, write down the 5 different uses of salt in our everyday life. So number 2, research what are the different types of feed and explain each type of feed. So write your answer in our lecture notebook and it will discuss and check it next meeting. Okay, do you understand our assignment? Yes. Okay, that's for today class and this is our criteria for assignment. I will send it to our GC, okay? Yeah. So that's it for today class. I hope you have a knowledge and some information in these different types of salt. So thank you and